we've had environmental tax in California for like a long time. Even like we're even being charged for like EV stuff now. It's freaking crazy.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts on that? Do you know much about the environmental tax at all? Any of those policies?
Not a ton, but enough to say that my comment here is I don't think they're a bad thing to some extent because I think that you need to consider everything, which includes the environment. My thought here is what you run into is more red tape, which ultimately hurts the person that you're trying to tax more because it adds up. Not only are they paying the tax now, but the red tape of trying to see if they qualify or have to pay, and you let's say even paying a professional. That's why you could say when you start to roll out these rules, who are these people going to go to for help in navigating them? They ultimately have to go pay somebody to help try and whether it's dodge the tax that just came out because let's say that they qualify for some exemption. Like people were freaking out about that, but they were trying to find an exemption of maybe why they wouldn't need to do it. EV tax, whatever the case is. So for me, any sort of environmental regulation, I immediately think way more red tape because these programs are new and there's P and ERC. You rolled them out, not necessarily as a half thought, but you now are dealing with people learning new rules. And with that, with learning new rules comes with a lot of mistake and penalty, like penalties. Like if you're late on doing something that you didn't even know that you had to do, but they're still going to penalize you for it, that's a problem. That is what concerns me with those kind of rules coming out. But I don't necessarily think they're bad in the sense of if you're paying a tax for something that, necessarily makes sense to where they should allocate dollars to, then it makes sense.